With your lawn prepped, your charging station installed and your boundary wires in place, it's time to program your Victa RM100 robot mower. The RM100 has a top-mounted information screen and control panel. This is where you find out what your mower is doing and set various functions and programs. The control panel is accessed by pressing the stop button. This will stop all mower activities and pop the top cover open. There are two ways to use the controls and settings: the touch-sensitive LCD display or the physical buttons located either side of the screen. If you've started your robot mower from fully off, the first thing you'll briefly see is the product info screen. Before accessing the controls, you'll be asked to enter a PIN. This is factory preset and it's recommended that you change it to a memorable number through settings and then PIN. When setting up a new RM100, first stop needs to be to set the date and time via the date icon. This is essential to give you control over setting operating hours and days of the week. The control icons you are most likely to use are in the top row. Start, or the start button beside the screen, will start the mowing cycle once the cover is closed. Charge will send the RM100 back to its charging station. This can also be done by pressing the Home button. Timer, this is where you program the operational days and hours of your RM100. You can select any combination of days of the week, and you can set up to 3 mowing periods a day. In settings, you'll find access to the boundary and multi-area functions. These allow you to deeply customize how your RM100 works and to fine-tune its mowing patterns. You can change your PIN and also switch the rain sensor on or off. The RM100 has an onboard rain sensor. It will return to its charging station when rain is detected. This can be switched on or off as needed. Once you have finished programming or managing your RM100, the top cover door must be fully closed before the unit will operate again. When the RM100 is operating, the information screen lets you know what your mower is doing and it's readable through the closed top cover door. When docked and charging, the screen will display the charge indicator flashing on and off to indicate charging is underway. When running, it will show that it's cutting, with the cutting indicator flashing when the blades are in operation.